How to mark all emails as read on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to mark all emails as read on iPhone or iPad. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you are someone who reads the important emails and leaves the others unread, you can mark them all as read in a few steps. So go ahead and open the mail application on your device. As you can see, I currently have 428 unread emails, so mark them all as read, open mail, and once opened, tap on the mailbox option you see on the top left of your screen and further tap on the inbox option. You will then see the edit button on the top right of your screen. Tap on that, and once the radio button appears, beside all the emails, tap on the select all option on the top left of your screen. With this, all the emails will be selected. Now tap on the mark option on the bottom left of your screen and further tap on the mark as read option, and with this, all your emails will be marked as read. As you can see, I no longer have the notifications number on the top of the app icon. So this is how you can mark all emails as read on iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.